I don't know what you need me to do.
Get in the Jeep. Take your coffee, get in the Jeep.
My coffee's not in
I've said it time and time again, when things go as planned, it's a trip. And here at Dunnage Garage, we like it when it goes sideways, and we have an adventure. This is a wet and soggy adventure. Let's see how we got here. Let's see if we recover from it. Now the plan is to head 7 hours south to Foss Lake, Oklahoma, and this is just outside of Clinton. There we're going to do some hiking and camping and spend some time with Randy and Stacy, some good friends of ours, and of course shoot content for the channel. I mean, what a great weekend trip. Unfortunately, this was the weekend we could go. We had weather rolling in and we kind of got caught.
It's not working.
Everything is get in the Jeep. Take your coffee, get in the Jeep. Well, it's obvious we hit the adventure part of this trip. Moist adventure. Nothing that a good cup of coffee and a great breakfast can't solve. Now, let's move on to damage control.
The reason my butt's wet is because of this jacket, I think.
A short drive later, we were at Randy and Stacy's, where they graciously allowed Dunnage Garage to invade their garage. It was time to take everything out of the Jeep and the camper that was sopping wet and start drying it off, doing laundry, and just regrouping and trying to figure out the rest of the trip. More importantly, this is where we got to spend some quality time with some amazing friends.
Yeah, your garbage can fell.
With everything dried off and airing out in the garage, all the laundry done and dry, it's time to go do some exploring. But what can we explore on a rainy day? Well, we are on Route 66, so let's check out our Route 66 museum. Looks like an alien spaceship. It's a brain sucker.
Did people get electrocuted when they were getting perms back in the day?
Wow.
That's terrifying.
Well, it makes sense. If he's building the furniture, he's probably building the caskets too.
Right?
Police station? Hey, it's still. It's safe to say trips like this never last long enough. And with weather like this, they even seem shorter. Now, that's a cool shot of those windmills. That's pretty neat. But we did find one more surprise that shocked us on the way home, and it is the coolest thing. Slight detour off a trip home to the geographical center of the United States. Checking out the church. Don't get lost.
Oh, it's so cute.
Yep, you've seen it here. The geographical center of the United States of America is a church. What an amazing thing. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. You have yourself a blessed day. And remember, life's an adventure. Go live it. We'll see you in our next adventures.